Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are very well. Friends, this is Obhik, director and actor Obhik Hallar. Friends, in this social media, I am going to share a very good news with all of you. Yes, very good news. Friends, our government registered NGO trust, Narendra Social Development Association, NSDA, has already started its cultural activities. Yes, it has already started its cultural activities. There are many things here, friends. Cinema acting workshop, drama acting workshop, children acting workshop, discussion on filmmaking, acting, discussion on scripting, editing, directorial activities. There are many things here. And mind it, everything is free of cost. Everything is without pay. So don't be late, friends. Hurry up. Come, join, and work with us. Thank you, friends. See you again.